everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Today, I just have a little message to pass across as usual. I'm not going to be long. I just quickly want to pass a little message. So my topic is about how do you know fake people and who is under fake account. Who are the people using fake accounts? So that is my message. My message is, how do we know who is under fake accounts? Are they good people? Are they wicked people? So today I just want to talk a little bit about it. So there was a day a lady called me. She said, "Lady Juliet, I just opened a new Facebook page. So I have about 1,000 friend requests already. So my problem now is the 1,000 friend requests I have, 90 that is 900 of it are fake accounts. Why about 100 of it are a bit real?" I said, "Really?" She said, "Yes." "How do I go about it?" I said, "Well, to start with, the Facebook you said you just opened, that is the page you said you just opened. Did you open it with your real name? The profile picture, is it your real picture?" She said no. She said she opened the page with fake name, that is not her real name, and the profile picture that she put there is not hers. I said, "Well, you yourself, you are not real, you are fake. How do you expect fake person like you to attract real person? It's obvious that it's fake people that is going to follow you up." You understand? So now I tell am, now I say, you dey fake to start with. How you go expect may you attract real people when you dey fake? Now fake people now go still send you friend request because they see say you dey fake. They see that account, they see that page, they see that your Facebook say now fake person dey under that page the operator. So now fake people now go still follow you up. She said, wow, she was like, she never expected what I just told her, and I said, that is the fact. Like my page, maybe you go dey feel say not be my picture na it dey for the profile, but if you scroll down, you go see my videos where I use my pictures dey do. Most of my pictures dey my page there. So before you scroll down, you go see and say, na me dey under this account. I no be fake. The name where I dey open this page where I get so, Lady Juliet, which is my real name. So most of my things that I'm doing there are real. They are not fake. So if you want to do this and you feel that in future you are going to use it for a profitable thing, I will advise our people to always come out with their real identity, their real self. If you don't want to use something for trouble, except maybe some people they want to use something for fun, so they're not going to use their real name. They'll just hide under that fake account they operate. they don't go come out with their identity. That one is different. But if you know say yes, this page where you dey operate, so where you dey use it, you go one use am for better thing for future. They use am dey do campaign, they use am dey motivate people, they use am for better broadcast. Then you want use am for business in future. I go advise many of our people when they use now real identity. Because if you hide under fake account, they want promote person, it not go work. You hide under fake account, you want use am protest for something meaningful, it not go work. You hide under fake account, you want use am do campaign, you want use am do business. It go difficult before the thing go work well for you. So now make me just quickly come pass this short message. Say there is disadvantage and advantage of using fake account. If you want to use fake account for problem, for fun, I go advise you use fake. But if you know say just this page where you dey build small, so you go want use am for better thing in future, I go advise you make you use your real identity. Use your real everything, let am be real. So that tomorrow you not go regret. So I tell that my sister, say, go closer or put your profile picture, rewrite your name again with your real name, put am there, make you see how it could work out for you. She come say, no problem. Few days ago, she called me, she say, Lady Juliet, what do you tell me? Work. Immediately I just dropped phone. I go change that name to my real name. I put my profile picture, real one, for there. Since few days now, people they send me requests with their real account. I say, you see, that is the spirit of living a positive life. So let me go to the next topic. Who are those under fake accounts? Are they real? Are they evil people? Me, I go tell you with my little experience. You see those people where they hide under fake accounts. Majority of them, they are evil. You do live video, you get 3,000 people where they watch you. Now 5 of it out of that 3,000 might be your real fan. The 2,000 plus, those ones, they want to see you how you want to disgrace yourself for them. Now those things they want to watch. Nothing say you get 5,000 viewers. Those ones, they be better people now. Evil people now plenty pass. They want to see how you want to fool yourself. Now they want to watch. Don't be say they want to watch you for something meaningful. And those ones where you get 5,000 friends, 100,000 followers. Many of them where they follow you, where they think say these followers where I get it too much, they too much, they happy. You want to go fall for that road. Make I tell you. Many of them they inside. Many of them they be killers. Many of them they be children of the evil person will kill your father. Many of them they be children of the evil person, the evil mother will kill your mother. Many of them they be people will be say all these fake account people now they talk. Many of them they be people will be say if you see them for real life, you go post spit for their head. If you see them for real life, you go want say why I even pass this place where this person come pass today. Now those people now they hide under fake account. Many of them they be your close person. They say for friends, they say for relation, you know. They say for your colleague for work where people are not they agree. They go hide under fake account they operate. May I tell you the way they operate? Some of them, if you did live video, they do your life, those ones where they do presenting something, and those ones where get blogging. Many of these fake accounts they'll come the right. They'll come they uplift your spirit. They say, continue, they clap and follow you. They write you sweet things, they write positive things, you could be happy, you say they'll be better person, they'll be evil. With that fake account, they could clap and follow you. With that fake account, they could attack you. If you see person where they clap hand for you well, you know say that person now you're very, very opposite person for real life. But he or she could come under that fake account, they clap and follow you. No, open your heart for her. If you open your heart for that person where they under that fake account, or in the name of he or she, they clap and follow you, your don't finish. And if fake accounts they attack you, you know say that person not be attack you for real life, but he or she can't hide under that fake account, they attack you. Be very, very careful. If you see that kind too much attack, block that person. If you see too much love, fake account, they press love, they press like, they write, they try to see things, they write you, they dance like Obiokwe. Block that person, because they are evil. Anybody on that fake account, they are evil. They don't have good mission. They don't have, I'm using it for good mission, no. Their mission is to destroy. Either to push you, clap and follow you, clap and follow you, go push you for where you're not supposed to go. Or they attack you. One of our live video presenter, a very good live video presenting woman at that. Her name is no other, Lady Monica. She said it one time ago. She said, all these fake accounts, they think that they have sense. They don't have sense, because anything you write, whether good or bad, it signifies who you are. And if you use that fake account to write anything that I know that is real, and I know that you are the only one that knows about it, and you went and write it under any platform, if I catch you, I will make sure you go down with me. You understand? So some fake account people, they think that they are intelligent. They are not intelligent. Anything you write, whether good or bad, you write something about me, I know say that thing, you know am. You can't go hide under fake account, they write am. If I see am, if I go down, you go down with me. It's very clear. So my message is not because say fake account they follow you, go jump, enter that road, because fake accounts, no matter anything where they write, their comments, don't let them to move you, make you come to disrespect who you not supposed disrespect. They are of no use, they are useless. If they press thumbs up for you 100 times, they send money for you. Whether YouTube or anywhere, they send you money and they operate on that fake account. Or they join you, they attack your opponent and they do on that fake account. I beg, not take them serious, they are of no use. Real person, they come out with real account. Real person, they come out with real identity, go say, now me, it is. I want to help you fight. Not go hide under fake account. If you be real, you want to do audio, do it with your picture. Let them know say now you they talk there. Not go use on that person picture till they talk, say you they talk. No, you be evil. You there on that fake account. You they clap and they do thumbs up, you they write on the favor of that presenter. You are evil. You have mission. You there on that fake account, you they attack. You are evil. You have mission. You there on that fake account. If you see person where you not like post something, you go use fake account take share am. May other of your fake people, your fake gang, your fake club watch am. You are evil. You dey on that fake account. You see fight. You not talk am exactly how e suppose be. You dey pick am. You are evil. Anything under fake is evil. Anything fake is evil. Anything fake is not genuine. So my people, beware of fake account people. They are destroyer. They are evil. If you have them in your friend list, be very careful of them. The more as they monitor you, yourself go they monitor them. Fake account people, they know they like your picture if you post them for outside. They could go to view them for if you put them for story. So fake people, if I want to delete them, I dey go watch them for my story. So I go stop with they pick them out. I go dey block them. That's what they do. I know they come and now say I want block people. If I see people will come go view me for my history, for my story, and that way now they block them because they have no use. Fake accounts now share your message pass because they could share them to their gang. We make them come watch. Your friend, your family, or your relative, or anyone will be so not there in good terms. They hide under fake account. They not they ever come with good mind. If they clap and follow you, that clapping, and for to dance, enter grave. If they attack you, they attack you with full strength of that hatred where they get for you, you can they attack you. If you see them like that, quick block them because they have no use. If fake account they post your things for social media, he or she not they post them for good cause. They not they post them for good cause. They post them for their member to come they watch with you they talk, so that they use that they criticize you, they use that they mock you, they use that as their own meeting topic. If you monitor them like that, block them. So now that one I say, may I quickly tell my people, beware of fake accounts. They are evil. If fake accounts are fighting for you, please don't use all yourself to join them. Be very, very calculative and then careful. If fake accounts they attack you, lock them. Don't let fake accounts people give you depression. Lock them. If your heart, then you say this person, block them immediately. Not use fake account person as your best friend. Anything, anybody will do on that fake account, they have mission. They never have good mission. Not talk say that they have good or bad mission. They always end up in shame. They always end up being bad. Not let fake account support you. If fake account they support you, tell them say may he or she come out with her identity, with his identity. Make that person come fight for you. Make people see him. Say na that real person I they fight for you. So people wait they on that fake account, as I said before, they are evil. They send you request. Be very careful. If you accept, if you not accept, but be very, very intelligent. Then be very, very careful. If they as your followers, not the time say you get 100,000 followers. Many of them they are evil. So now this one say me I quickly come talk. Just pick some sense for waiting I talk. The one way no make sense to you, brush them off. The one way good for you, pick them. So thank you. Goodbye for now.